In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build funnels in Go High Level. Let's start right from the beginning. Open your favorite web browser and search for Go High Level. From the results, click the official website, then look for the option to log into the app. On the sign-in screen, enter your credentials, or use the Google Sign-In if that's how your account is set up. Once you're in, make sure you're working inside the correct sub-account. Use the account switcher, the button labeled Click Here to Switch, and choose the account where you want the funnel to live. On the left-hand sidebar, head to the Sites tab for that sub-account. At the top, select Funnels, then click the plus New Funnel button. You'll be asked how you want to begin. If you'd like to move fast, choose from Template and browse the library for designs tailored to your industry. If you want help with layout and copy, try Funnel AI by providing a short prompt about your business. Or, if you prefer full control, start from blank and build everything from scratch. Think of a funnel as a guided sequence of pages with one primary goal, like capturing a lead or selling an offer. Create your first page by clicking plus Add New Step. Common steps include a landing page for collecting contact details, an order page for purchases, and a thank you page to confirm success and set next steps. You can drag and drop each tile in the steps area to set the exact order of the journey. To design a page, click Edit, then Edit Page to open the Visual Builder. The editor is organized hierarchically. Sections, shown in green, are your largest containers. Inside sections, rows and columns, shown in blue, control your horizontal layout. Within those, you'll add elements, shown in orange, such as headlines, buttons, images, or videos. To collect information or book time, drag in a form or calendar element so leads flow straight into your CRM. When your structure is ready, connect a domain. Click Connect to Domain to attach an existing domain or purchase one right there, then save. Save your work regularly. The SEO metadata panel will appear in the editor so you can set a clear page title and description that search engines understand. When everything looks good, save or publish to make your funnel live. That's it. You've built a functional funnel in Go High Level, ready to capture traffic and convert it into results.